Yo, what's up, my people of YouTube? Hey, boy, this is SEMO-MAC, and hey, I hope y'all are doing good right now. SEMO-MAC is burning up Southeast Missouri. It's crazy right now. We got another little heat wave coming through, and it's about to kill me. It's just crazy. But hey, I'm trying to stay cool. I just don't think it's working. But hey, that's beside the point, because what I got for you right now is I got you a review on something that was sent out to me. And this company has sent stuff to me before, and it is from the company Cre8mint. Yep, y'all know, y'all have seen the coins that they've sent out to me. You know, before we had the 225th or 250th anniversary, and we also had the veterans one. Y'all have seen the qualities of these coins, and they are freaking phenomenal. Well, they just sent me out another one, and these things are just too freaking awesome for me not to show this to y'all. This is actually what they call their lucky coin set. This is the good old luck of the Irish here. It's good luck always with you. This is the little box that they come in. As y'all always know, these boxes are freaking phenomenal. They are awesome. The build of them is really cool. What you get in the box is they give you your little card like they always do. They always come up with something really cool. You know, this one is luck finds those who believe, and I honestly believe that, to be honest with you. And this is your little lucky card that you can carry with you out of this set as well. So you get that in there. You also get the good old lucky, if I can get this thing out of here. They also give you a keychain that comes in this thing. So this is their good luck. So it is your horseshoe and your four-leaf clover, your shamrock. On the back of it, it actually says fortune favors the bold. And you also, it's the backing of that as well, as you can see right here. So you get a nice little keychain. Now we get down to the actual coin itself. See if I can get this out of here, because I've cut my nails and it's kind of hard. This one starts out where it has the luck, love, health, happiness, success, and wealth. And the meaning of these coins, as you see right here, put that back here, get that little light so you can see it. Everything that is on these coins represents something of luck or good fortune, which I thought was really cool how they integrated all of these things on here. So like on the front here, you know, you have an eagle with a shamrock or a four-leaf clover, the lucky number 7. You also have a shooting star, and you also have an elephant that is standing on a mound of gold coins. And I'll put that up here so you can see that right there. And what this stuff represents is the, you know, you have on this side, you know, you have that, and I'll cover the back too before I get into what all these mean. On the back of it, you have your horseshoe. You have the heart-shaped locket with a key, with the skeleton key. You also have a number 7. You also have right up here in the far corner, right over there, that is a wishbone, is what that is. And you have a ladybug that is actually on the horseshoe, and then, like you said, you got your four-leaf clover in the middle of it. What this stuff represents and how they put this together was really cool. So, you know, your horseshoe, if you're a big superstitious, but the horseshoe represents protection. That's what it is. Back in the olden days, they used to put horseshoes up on over their doors, inside their houses or outside the houses. My grandparents actually had them inside the house. There was one that actually was going to their bedroom, and one as you were leaving the front of the house and the back of the house. It was just for protection. It's for protection for that house. So that's what that represents. You also have, like I said, the shamrock, the 4-leaf clover that's on the back here and also in the front. That is actually always represents for fortune. So for you to have good fortune. The ladybug that is on here, it actually represents happiness. So you kind of see the theme that is going on with these coins. With this coin here is they call it the lucky coin. So far, you've got protection, the luck of protection, the luck of being of a fortune, the luck of actually being happy. So you're finding happiness. The eagle that is on this side here is, it actually holds a meaning of good luck, strength, and positive change. And that's the coolest thing right there. You have that. The one that threw me the most was the elephant. I really had to look that up, and there's a lot of things about what the elephant actually means. And in this case, it is really for wisdom and prosperity. Over in India, they have, that is their big, the elephant is really big with them as far as wisdom and prosperity. So everything that they put in here, even like the shooting star, we always say when you see a shooting star at night, always make a wish, because your wish may come true on that. So you have that, the lucky number 7, the sevens, that's all self-explanatory. Everybody says, lucky number 7, that's what we got to have. Your heart-shaped locket and the key, that right there is pretty much for love and, and a good bond. That's what that stands for. So, they really done really well on this. I do love how they put everything together. Oh, and I almost forgot, the wishbone that is right there in that corner. So the wishbone, everybody knows, if you're as old as I am, I'm 48 years old. Every time we ate chicken, we always had to get the wishbone, and when we broke it, whoever got the longest side, those were the ones that actually gets to make the wish, and whatever their wish, it should come true. So, these are just something that, especially, how they put all this together, I thought was really cool, y'all. And this right here actually means a lot to me, mainly, really because, a lot of this is some Irish heritage, and I am actually, I am Irish and Scottish both. I know more about my Irish heritage than I do my Scottish heritage. I'm still looking a lot of that up, but my heritage is Irish. I'm really, really big into that. I do know my lineage of that. I've got a family crest and everything. So, so this right here actually was really cool. When I saw it, I got with Cre8mint, and as always, they knock it out of the park with this. And I do appreciate them sending this out to me. They have been really great to me with this stuff. So yeah, y'all, this is cool. If you have an Irish heritage like I do, this might be something you want to pick up. And if you are interested in something like this, y'all, I will drop the link down in my description. All you have to do is click on it. It'll take you straight to it. Price-wise on this right here, they're running around, I think they're running a little bit of percentage off on it right now, like 5% or something like that. So they're running for like $18.04. So you're under 20 bucks for all of this. You get the keychain, you get the nice card, and I will stick this up here one more time so y'all can actually see this. It is so cool. I love this stuff. I'm a big, when it comes to history, stuff like this, I really do love this stuff. So, but that's what you get. And this is the box one more time, as y'all can see it right there. I love it. I think it's great. So, but that's my review on this, y'all. I hope y'all really liked it. And as always, I hope y'all are being kind out there in the world. Everybody needs a little kindness. And as always, I hope y'all are having a great day. So y'all, this is SEMO-MAC, having the luck of the Irish. And I will holler at y'all next time. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace.